Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel, PC Error Fix. Today in this video, I will share how to fix OBS encoding overloaded message in the status bar on your PC. Here have a look at the solutions you need to try. But before starting with the detailed steps in this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, also ring the bell to get notified when another video lands. Solution 1. Disable Game Mode. The Game Mode feature, when enabled on your computer, will offer the best gaming experience. But in some cases, this will lead to the failure of the streaming service with an overloading message. So, disabling it may work for you. Press Windows + I key to open Windows settings. Now, tap on Gaming, and then click on Game Mode. Toggle Game Mode to off. Restart your system and relaunch the OBS app. Solution 2. Change OBS process priority. Changing the OBS priorities allow your OBS app to process first, so try changing the priority to solve the problem. Go to the taskbar. Right-click, and select the Task Manager option from the list. Switch to the Details tab. And from the drop-down menu, search for the OBS process, and right-click on it. Then, tap on Set Priority. Next, modify the priority settings from real-time to high priority. Also, you can change the priority settings of the PC's games to normal or below normal if it is not so demanding. Exit from the Task Manager and reboot your computer. Solution 3. Reduce output resolution in OBS. By scaling the resolution down, you're telling OBS to shrink the video before sending it to the encoder, thus putting less pressure on your CPU. Launch the OBS Studio app, and click on the Settings button at the bottom right corner of the screen. In the left pane, switch to the Video tab, and select the Output, Scaled, Resolution option. Now, select any lower resolution values from the drop-down list. Press the Apply and OK buttons to save the recent changes. Solution 4. Lower the frame rate settings in OBS. Reducing the frame rate to 30 or even lower will not affect the video quality significantly and fix the OBS encoding overloaded problem. Open the OBS app and navigate to its settings. Now, switch to the Video tab and click on the Common FPS Values settings. Select 30 or even lower values from the drop-down list. Finally, click on Apply and OK buttons to save the recent changes and reboot your PC. Solution 5. Tweak encoder streaming settings. Here it is suggested to change the encoder type and preset settings on your OBS app to fix the problem. Go to OBS Settings, and select the Output tab in the left pane. Now, the streaming section will appear in the right pane. Change the encoder settings to Software, and select the Enable Advanced Encoder Settings option. Now, click on the CPU usage preset, higher equals lesser CPU, setting, and choose Very Fast, Super Fast or Ultra Fast options to minimize the CPU cycles. You can also try different encoder presets values as your need. Click on Apply and OK to save the changes. Restart the PC, relaunch the OBS app, and check if the higher preset values solve your encoding issue. So, that's all about the OBS encoding overloaded problem. Let me know in the comment section if the fixes directed works for you. Also do like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.